Looking for a healthier, easier way to enjoy all your favorite fried foods? Say hello to the T-fal Easy Fry 5L air fryer. Whether you're cooking for your family or just for yourself, this air fryer promises crispy results with little to no oil. Stick around to see how it works and why it could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Discover monitor-free cooking that comes out perfect every time with 10 cooking presets: fries, chicken, steak, fish, dessert, pizza, nuggets, vegetables, shrimp, and bacon. The large non-stick basket is super easy to remove, and it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Now, let's talk about the features. The T-fal Easy Fry offers adjustable temperature control ranging from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and a timer that can go up to 60 minutes. It's perfect for air frying, grilling, roasting, and even baking. With its 3D air pulse technology, this air fryer ensures even cooking with little to no oil. Your fries will come out crispy, and your chicken tender on the inside. Plus, it cooks faster than a conventional oven. Let's give it a try. We're making a batch of crispy fries using just a teaspoon of oil. Simply season, toss, and let the T-fal Easy Fry do its magic. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and in no time, you've got perfectly crispy fries without all the extra fat. Look at that golden crunch, and the best part, they taste just as good as deep-fried fries but with way fewer calories. So, what are the pros and cons of the T-fal Easy Fry? Pros: large 5L capacity for families. Versatile cooking options: fry, grill, roast, bake. Dishwasher safe, non-stick basket. Cooks with minimal oil. Cons: no preset cooking programs. The exterior can get warm during use. Overall, the T-fal Easy Fry 5L capacity air fryer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially if you're looking for a healthier, easy-to-use cooking option. It's versatile, efficient, and lets you enjoy your favorite meals guilt-free. With the T-fal Easy Fry 5L, you can fry, grill, roast, and bake your favorite meals without the extra calories or the hassle. So, is it worth it? We think so. If you're ready to try it out, check the link in the description. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips. Thanks for watching.